Abuja as police crack down on #Fearless in October protesters. Tensions escalated in Nigeria today as protesters took to the street in Abuja and Lagos, demanding action on the country's economic crisis. The demonstrations, part of the #Fearless in October movement, saw hundreds gather to voice their frustration over rising living costs and what they perceive as poor governance. In Abuja, the nation's capital, police resorted to tear gas to disperse crowds in the Jabi and Utako areas. Eyewitnesses reported injuries among protesters, though official casualty figures have not been released. The demonstration comes as Nigerians face unprecedented economic challenges. Food prices have soared, with a bag of rice now costing around 100,000 naira. Fuel prices have also surpassed 1,000 naira, further straining household budgets. Protesters carried banners with slogans such as "We are hungry" and "Enough is enough. Revolution now." One demonstrator, before being dispersed, expressed the sentiment driving the protest. The #Fearless in October protests have united Nigerians from various walks of life in a powerful call for improved living conditions and governance. As the country marks its 64th year of independence, these demonstrations highlight the ongoing challenges faced by its citizens. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates as they become available.